Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about microwave oven simulation using Pixim and MPLab. Myself, I am Jagan, third year EEE National Engineering College, Kovilpatti. My team members are Jagadish, Ponsaravana Kumar. Myself, I will explain about the C program and embedded systems, embedded system basics, and Jagadish will continue about microprocessor and peripherals, and Charana will complete the simulation and working part. C programming. C programming is it's a general purpose programming language and it's found by Dennis Ritchie. And the C programming is used in system software development and embedded software development. And it's also used in OS kernel development, firmware, driver development, file system development, and many more. Conditional statements. Conditional statements. There are three types: single iteration, multiple iteration, unconditional. Single iteration: if else, if, and switch case. Multiple integration: while, do while, and for. Unconditional: continue and break. For getting input, embedded C in the basics. Operators it operates on its operands and it returns a value. Array is a collection of data of same data type. In this array, the address are sequential. Pointers, the parameters passing mechanism in functions by passing the reference. Functions. For getting input, we may use loop in the array structure. On simulation, the functions plays a major role. Functions it pass by value, and there are two types: it pass by value and pass by reference, and it return more than one value from a function. And it's a passing array, returning array, and recursive. Strings. Strings we use strings for using output or displaying output. Since the continuous sequence of characters are all called strings, and it's easily stored in ASCII and its extensions. Storage classes. There are totally 32 keywords in storage classes: auto, register, static, local, static, global, and extern. And here microcontroller and microprocessor. These are the differences between microcontroller and microprocessor. Microcontroller, an integrated circuit which is capable of being programmed to perform a specific task, is a microcontroller. And others say microprocessor. A microprocessor is a computer processor where the data processing logic and control is included in a single IC. In microcontroller, all the components are in single chip. In microprocessor, they are separate components. In microcontroller, less flexible, and microprocessor more flexible. Less design complexity and more design complexity. And while choosing microcontroller and microprocessor, we have to look after applications and its performance, price, availability of tools, and special capabilities. These are the 5 major things we have to look while choosing the microcontroller and processor. Embedded system. Embedded system is nothing but a combination of any hardware and software which is intended to a specific task. And GPS, general purpose system, is used to perform large number of tasks, whereas ES means embedded system, is used to perform a specific task. And the embedded system, we have several types in that: standalone system, real-time system, networked, and mobile. Standalone system. Under standalone system, we have two major types: slave system and independent system. Slave system, they are not intelligent even though these are embedded system. The system cannot take action by their own. As from the name, we understand that the system cannot take action by their own. Example, semi-automatic washing machine. Independent system. This system can take action by their own. The major difference is the action only. Example, Google car, where the driver will not be alone. Real-time system. These systems are time-bound system which will take an action on a specific time. Within the time it takes the action, and failures in this system are not acceptable. In previous system, failures are acceptable. Real-time system, under this we have three things: hard real-time, film real-time, and soft real-time. Hard real-time should meet its deadline, life critical application. Film real-time, it is similar to hard real-time, and soft real-time, it can have some tolerance in meeting in its deadline. Network system. The system which are connected to network are called as network system. Example for network system is home security system. Mobile system. The system which are movable and are called as mobile system, like automobile. Examples are robots. Interfacing LEDs. The simplest device is used in most of the embedded application as feedback, works just like diode. An LED is a diode. LED basic demo. Basic LED program, toggling LEDs connected to the port B. Technically PIC16F877A, and it's built in hex file in MPLab IDE software, then it's Pixim Lab software, load in hex file. And in the board, PIC Gens board, and the microcontroller PIC16F877.
Hi, I'm Jagdish from National Engineering College, Kovalpeti. My friend Jagan completed about C program and embedded system. Now I'm going to explain about microwave oven peripheral. In microwave oven peripheral, there are several types. CLCD, matrix keyboard, tactile switch, pressure, fan, timer. CLCD, character liquid crystal display. It has two type of display. There are 16x2 and 16x4. 8-bit is D0 to D7 and 4-bit is from D4 to D7. Used to display RASCILL character and this symbol. It has totally 16 interfacing line. RS line means register selector line. RS value is 1 means data. RS value 0 is instruction. Tactile switch. In matrix keyboard we need to configure row as output and column as input. When designing pull down interfacing, R1 is 10 times greater than R2. And triggering method, there are two types. One is edge triggering and level triggering. Interface, there are two types, pull up and pull down. In pull up, open is 1 and close is 0. In pull down, open is 0 and close is 1. Interrupt. An interrupt is a communication process set up in a microprocessor or microcontroller in which an internal or external device requires the MPU or MCU to stop the processing. Then the MPU or MCU acknowledge the record and attend the records, go back the processing where it was go to interrupt. A classification of interrupt. There are two types. One is hardware and another is software. In hardware, non-maskable and maskable. In maskable, external and internal. ISR is one type of interrupt. ISR, interrupt service routine. ISR is a software routine that hardware involved in response to an interrupt. When an interrupt occurs, the MPU complete the instruction begin execute that it is disabled, global interrupt enabled. Place the address from the program counter on the stop. Matrix keyboard. User when the more number of user input is required and still want to save the controller input output line. Use row and column concept. More commonly used in telephone, digital locker and calculator and many more. In cooking mode, the matrix keyboard key are used to select their respective mode. The timers, there are three types of timer: timer 0, timer 1, timer 2. Tick means up counter or down counter. Quantum means system clock settings. Scale means pre or post. Resolution means resistor with it has three mode like PWM or pulse mode, counter, PW or PP measurement, etc. Microwave oven. The microwave oven is used to heat the food using microwave, which is off from electromagnetic wave. There are several modes in various microwave oven. We are going to implement four methods: micro mode, grill mode, convention mode, start mode. Micro mode. This is made used to cook the food in traditional way. It is used as a maximum power of 900 watt. In this, the maximum time that you set for cooking 60 minutes. The grill mode, this mode is used to cook bread and meat. It works as the micro mode, but the purpose is used to cook the meat and bread. User can set time as per the cooking time of a meat. Convention mode. In this mode, user can set oven to preheat from a particular temperature and it takes 3 minutes to preheat the oven. After preheating is done, then the user can set the timer as per the requirement. Now my friend Ponsarana Kumar will explain about simulation and working of the micro oven.
Hello all, I am Pon Saravana Kumar, third year EEE, National Engineering College, Kovalpeti. Jagadish completed the microwave oven peripherals. Now I am going to explain about the simulation and working of microwave oven using MPLAB and PixSimplab. Basically, microwave oven is an electric oven that heats and cooks food by exposing it to an electromagnetic radiation. We are going to implement four modes, that is micro mode, grill mode, convection mode and start mode. Let us simulate that. These are the codes for the simulation. And these are the files. Let us build that. Build successful. Let us simulate this code in PixSimLab. First we want to load the hex file. Power on display is displayed. Now you can see the 4 modes: micro, grill, convection and start. For micro mode you want to press 1. You can see the power is displayed. Next you want to set the time, that is I am going to set 10 seconds. For clear you want to press star. You can see the second is clear. Now I am going to enter 10 seconds. For enter you want to press as button. Now you can see the time is running. For pause you want to press 5. You can see the time is passed and the fan is off. For resume you want to press 4. After 10 seconds, buzzer is on for indication. Micro mode is completed, then the grill mode. Grill mode is similar to micro mode, but the power is not displayed. I am going to set 20 seconds for this. Enter. Suppose the door is open, the buzzer should on. Let us check that. Instead of door, I am going to press RB3. We can see the status, door status is open. I am going to close the door. We can see the time is resumed. So grid mode is also working. Then we are going to see the convection mode. In convection mode, we want to enter the temperature first. We are going to enter 120 degree. Then it will preheat for 3 minutes. That is 180 seconds. Let us wait for it. .180 seconds is going to over. The preheating time is over. Now you want to set the time. It is similar to micro mode. The convection mode also completed. Then the last one is start mode. In start mode, 30 seconds is already set. If you want to increase the time, we want to press 4. We can say 30 seconds. We can see that 30 seconds is increased by pressing that. This is the start mode. We have to stop that. The start mode also completed. Thus we have implemented all the 4 modes using PixSimLab. Thank you everyone.